Hello and welcome back to Model Restorations. So what we have here is a 70 Plymouth Roadrunner that I am entering into the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators, and it's a basically a build off between a lot of the YouTube channels that are online right now. And so we all have to do a 70 Plymouth. So I just picked up this Revel. I believe this just came out. My wife actually just got this for me for Christmas. So I'm super excited to get it, and I'm super excited to build it. I think we can pretty much go any direction we want. So I think what I'm going to do is possibly build a kind of a vintage NASCAR. I've got this body from, I believe it was a one of the Ford NASCAR bodies or frames and everything. And if you look, it fits pretty damn well. I'm gonna have to cut the firewall out, but it looks like the dash is gonna drop right in. The back wheel well's off slightly, so I think I'm gonna have to move, possibly move the either create another dash or move it forward just slightly. I'm definitely gonna have to move the A-arms up also, because this is not lining up at all. So but I'm hoping once I get this dropped in here that it could line up a little better. So anyway, so I listed everybody that is joining that I know of anyway, so far in the description. So check out their channels, give them a like, subscribe to them. There's some amazing channels out there, and I will see you next video. Thanks a lot.